Good. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today we'll be putting the Noctua D14 onto this rig. So, hope you enjoy. This is Michael. I'm Johan. We're from Rig Garage. Guess, right? Yes?
Sure.
So, alright, let's get started. So, let me zoom in to the back. And there you go. So, first, Intel bracket, Secure Firm 2. Yes, that's what it's called. Alright, so stuff out. Do not peel off the rubber part. That's very important. No, sorry. Do not take off the rubber part. It's very important you don't do that because you need it on. So first we put it this. Let's see if we can see the hole. Mike, does that look like a B? Is it? Is it a B or C?
Now it looks like a B.
Okay. So I have that upside down.
Straight first.
Okay, so yeah, I think that's a. You think that's a B, right? Does that? Does all the holes go through B?
Not yet.
Oh.
I think it does about now. What do you think? Because I couldn't even see a hole on that one.
Right. Yep, I think it's B. So now, I'm gonna open the Ziploc bag. I'm zooming all the way up here, and you put this. Oh, losing the screw here. I put this through the B hole for the 1150 LGA motherboard. So make sure you do that. Make sure it's secure. You don't want it wiggling around, that'd be bad. So yeah, this. It's not that hard, people. It's really not that hard. So there we go. And repeat the steps. Just repeat the steps and just do all four. Make sure the rubber part is hitting the motherboard, not the plastic. Right? Whoa! Wrong. Oh, it's really long. No, right? Careful, right? Alright, it's all in. And now what I need to do is stick it in here, and there you go. Now we're gonna move to the next step. Zoom out. Whoa. Okay. And it's coming. Oh, it's coming out.
Maybe you should have some.
Yes, just show
Unless you want to show them the other side too.
Yes,
You
now.
have to turn.
Which? Oh, screws. Get that? Well, I don't want to hit your face now.
You're not.
Okay. You know what, Michael? I think you should switch. They should be holding. It should be here, and I should be there.
All right, Dan.
All right. Thank you. If you don't have anyone with you to do this, good luck. Alright, with the plastic washers right here. Is it? Oh.
Make sure the first one.
Right. If you look closely, there'll be like a cross on the bottom, and there's one that is clean. Make sure the clean part is facing up. Thank you. And after that, for this particular Noctua bracket, you put this first instead of the fan. So you'll be like, why are you putting this first? But you need to do that.
The Intel brackets first.
Yes, the Intel brackets. Make sure it's correctly. Instruction manual, very important. All right, well, this, right? So like this. Something like this. So, let me see.
Try flipping it around.
That doesn't work though. Is it all the way in?
Well, if you look at this,
Is it all the way in?
I think so.
Huh, I hope so. Yeah, I think.
Because if you look at this, it's got the thing sticking up. So.
See, you know what the problem is? It moves like so.
It's difficult.
I thought this was gonna be easy. Put that back.
Technical difficulties. Please stand by.
For real.
Do you want to try and get the bottom one in first, then? Because it looks like the bottom one.
Oh, right.
But look at this. This part is sticking up. So I think they go in that way.
Jeez, Michael. See, I can. No, this Michael is really smart, as you can see.
Because I pay attention to the instrument.
Yes. And that's very important, ladies and gentlemen. That is very important. Make sure
This B doesn't look like it's in on that side.
Really?
Yeah, it looks like it's in between B and C.
Wait, before I do this, let me see. Okay, there we go. Right. Thank you. And these are thumb screws, so thank God for that.
Yeah, tighten them with those first.
Yes. If I could get this correct. There we go.
But this computer's supposed to do a diagram, but then I remembered, wait, it doesn't put pressure on the CPU, so it doesn't
Yeah.
matter.
And see if I put it like here, then the fan's gonna be like,
Yeah.
yeah. It says, shows you right here. See,
Yeah.
it's like this, and
That's why I flipped over to that side, because I noticed that it had that.
yeah.
And that's very important.
Look. Yep. So, alright, here we go.
I'm hoping that those are sticking out enough.
No, right?
If they're not, we need to go back here and find the one.
Okay, I got this one in. Whoa.
Trying to push as hard as I can so you have as much screw as you possibly need.
Thanks. Okay, Michael, you can let go now. Alright, now this comes with the fan, so now you just need to tighten it. Let me turn the right way, wait. Righty, lefty, right. Ah, jeez.
Turn to the right.
Yes.
Righty tighty, lefty loosey, everyone.
I'm stupid.
I didn't say it.
I know. And don't make it too tight. You know that, right, guys? You know, too tight, it's gonna break the motherboard. That'd be very bad. All right, just enough strength.
And obviously, if you were mounting this with the fan actually on the CPU, you would do it diagonally when
Yes.
you're tightening the screws.
Mhm.
You wouldn't do it like you're doing, where you're going back and forth.
Right. You know what's a smarter thing, people? Lay it down on the side and then screw it. Not like me. I'm stupid and I'm lazy and just gonna be.
Well, you needed to press on the back when you had it up like that,
right.
which it's kind of hard to press on the back if it's laying down.
Yes.
So there was a reason you had it.
Yes. See? I'm not that stupid. Yeah. Alright. Don't want to score it now. Bad. Alright. Tight.
Of course, there's a question of being tight or tight enough. Because you don't want to make it so tight that you break your motherboard, or so tight that you can't get it undone ever again.
Right. Yeah, that's tight enough. So, you can put this away. Put this
Back down on the
on
side.
the side.
Whoa, you're making weird marks on the table.
All right. Take it. All right. So now I'll be moving the camera. So it might be kind of jumpy, but all right.
You probably could have stopped recording.
Yeah, but then I have to start. Ouch. Finger. Ow. Finger. Sorry. All right. Now I'm gonna go
Up and down.
way up. Okay, there we go. And then
Down.
down, and then
Carefully adjust.
zoom. Wait. All right. So my good friend here, Michael, will show you how to apply thermal paste.
Oh yeah, that's right. I'm applying the thermal paste.
That's after the fan.
Yeah.
Here we go. So I tried applying the thermal paste and I failed. So don't want to do it again. And
Well, you didn't fail. You just
Right.
didn't do a good
Messy.
enough job.
Any tips you want to tell us, Michael?
Don't put too much on, and be very careful when you put it on, because you don't want to put enough so that it actually goes over the CPU, which is something that Johan did apparently.
Now, how much is enough when you?
You need very little because of the conductive properties of the thermal paste. It doesn't take very much.
Yes. So everyone, little, not too much. So now,
About a pea. At least that's what I heard. Online.
yes, that's what I heard too.
You don't want to do like a bowling ball sized thing of thermal paste.
Right. So this will be going toward the this
The top of the computer.
yes, this will go toward the memory if you want it that way, but
Look at that.
yeah, that's what I'm gonna do, toward the memory. So wait, so I'm gonna zoom out now so you can see what I'm doing. Right, so I don't want this. First, take the center fan out. I think it's the NH. I mean, is it the 14? Yeah, I think it's the 14 something fan. Yeah, the 140 millimeter fan. Let's just say that.
And if you need to, take all of the fans out because it's a lot easier.
Yes.
That's what I did with mine anyway.
Yep. So there we go. This is shit. Right. So
Do you want to pause it while you take the fans out?
that's okay.
Alright then. You can just edit it later.
Yeah. All right. I forgot.
In which case, I can say anything I want right now.
Yeah. Technically.
Son of a bitch.
There was no cuss words in this video. Please be 12 years or older to watch this. Okay, so alright, check it out. Everything's fine. No. What you do is
Carefully place it, try not to
carefully
wiggle it.
place yes, not wiggle it around like Michael said. And
And they see your shoulder.
yes, and they see my shoulder. So I think I have it placed it correctly. Right? Does it look correct? Does it look in the center?
Yeah.
Alright.
While
Now-
the thermal paste is not heated, you could always take it off to double check your thermal paste if you need to.
Right. Use this screwdriver and just screw it in.
But of course, once you heat up the thermal paste, don't remove it without cleaning the thermal paste off first.
Right.
Because I almost made the mistake.
Really?
Yeah, because I put my fan on backwards, and then I realized that it was on backwards, so I took it off. And I was like, I hope that doesn't harm it. And then I did some research. It doesn't. As long as it's not heated up, it's fine.
Ah.
I feel like it's moving a lot.
Yeah, it is.
On top of the thermal paste.
Oh, jeez.
Is it screwed in correctly?
I think it is.
Because it doesn't look like it's screwed in at all.
No, it's not screwed in yet, so...
Maybe you should have one of us hold it while the other
Yes.
one screws it in.
I think that's a good idea. I'm going to press it down and boom.
Too bad you couldn't practice this before you did it.
I know, right? Wait, I feel it. I feel it. It's getting stuck. There you go. Now go to here.
And again, since you're applying pressure to the central processor unit, you
Right.
should go back and forth.
Oh, sorry.
All the while trying not to put too much pressure on the CPU.
Yes. Huh.
It's not going in.
Not going in. Oh, wait. I feel something. I feel something.
I was gonna say, you want to double check the instructions, make sure you're doing it correctly.
Yes.
But since you feel something, I'm gonna just shut up now.
There we go. There we go.
And it looks like it's snug now. Granted, it still needs to be tightened a little bit, but for right
Oh,
now, no. Uh-oh.
Okay, I got it.
We'll let you work. At this point, it's best to use one person.
Yes. Good. Everything's right there.
See if it has any tips.
Yeah. Because I need some tips right now. It's not going in. For some reason, it's not.
Take off the center fan, put heatsink onto the CPU, and screw it in. Screw it to the screw threads of the mounting bars. Yeah, there's literally no tips whatsoever.
Dig it, Noctua. Okay, jeez.
Maybe you should have taken your motherboard out.
No, right?
But no, you don't have to.
Whew.
Is it in?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Sort of. You're about 90% sure.
Yes. And I'm going to tighten this until it doesn't freaking move because it's keep popping up.
You'll know when you lift it up if it moves, then
Yes.
whether or not it would actually be tight.
Bam. Did it.
Now I gotta figure out how to put this center fan back in.
Oh God. Alright.
Yeah.
Tighten this now. Bam! Alright. Whoa.
Now that that's done,
Now, yes, now that that's done, like Michael said,
make sure the fan's facing the correct way too.
yes.
Because of the push-pull configuration, you want to decide which way you want to put it.
Yep. Make sure it's downright correct.
Locked in.
Locked in. Make sure it's not moving. It's not
You
moving.
should probably make sure the cord's in the correct place.
Yes.
Because if you want it on the other side, you should probably turn the fan around or something.
Yeah.
You could probably rotate the fan. Take it off and then rotate it.
That works.
Basically, I'm saying take this, turn it over.
Yeah.
From this to that.
Well, what do you mean?
You could take this, flip it over that way.
Oh. Whatever. I think the same. Right? Is it? Yeah. So now, you have these. Do you see it? Yeah. This, you do not. Okay. You know what this is? This is like a one adapter thing. You put the both here. You put these two here, and then
It's basically a
yeah,
splitter.
it's a splitter. But you don't need that.
It
What I
does
would
come
do-
in handy though.
Yes, very handy. The blue one, you see the blue one? Yes. This goes to this I believe it's the PS12 fan right here. The blue goes here, like that, and then this goes to the
On the motherboard.
on the motherboard. Yes.
In the CPU fan
Yep.
section.
And this,
Is the
Black.
same basic thing.
yeah, it's the same thing, but it's for the 14.
The reason it's color coded is so you know which fan it goes to.
Yes. And I saw somebody on YouTube wrap this around the fan, which is a very good idea. So I'm gonna do that and steal this idea.
Well,
And-
not steal it, borrow it.
Borrow it, yes. Borrow it.
Quote unquote.
Right. Okay, just find the in here, huh? Or you know what? Yes, I need to somehow do.
That's why I'm saying the splitter would be easier to use.
It's a low noise adapter. That's what it is actually. So
No, I'm saying the splitter for the cable.
yeah, I know, but it's not gonna be low noise. That might be a problem, but can be.
Taking the fan out and turning it over like I suggested.
Actually, this has to go to the top, Michael. I'm sorry. You won't right this time. You won't right that time, but whatever.
Well, I think it would have worked either way. So
Yeah, it will work either way.
it would have been easier to put it the other way, but you would have had to do a little bit more cable management.
Yes. I still can't see it, so
Do you need a flashlight?
which you have?
Yeah.
Brilliant. Okay, let's put it back, let's put it back. Good. There we go. Yeah, did you? Oh.
Sort of. Yeah. Maybe.
Yeah.
Too bad you don't have holes in the top of your computer like mine.
Oh, jeez, I know, right?
It's in here.
You know what? Better idea.
Just
Ow.
take the other fan off and
Yes.
then put it on when you need
Okay.
to. Don't cut yourself.
Yeah.
Or what you could have done is attach the fans to the board first.
Right. There we go. Get this fan out. And there we go. Okay. So let's put this darn thing in here. Alright.
wait. Yeah.
There we go.
Is it in?
Yep.
Oh, I didn't even see that one down there. I was looking at the other CPU.
Oh,
fan.
the yellow one?
Yeah.
That's the main one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The one that the splitter would have been used for, probably.
Yep.
But now you can put the other one in.
Yes.
To that one. And hopefully that one will be easier.
Oh, that one come in the way, would it? Would it? No.
You can just move it if you need to.
You know what? Just. Yeah, hold on. Okay, so now.
Experimental.
Okay, this is what I'm going to do. Now.
You're going to plug the fan in first.
Yes.
And then do that. Like I suggested about halfway through the other one.
Yep. And this is 3-pin. So make sure you put it to the most right. Yeah, to the right. Don't ask me why it's 3-pin. It's 3-pin. This is pretty old.
Because it doesn't have a ground.
Yeah.
That's why. Because that 4th pin is for a ground wire.
Ah. I see. So.
Carefully.
So. Put the jamming between it. There we go.
Click.
Click it.
Not click.
Whoa. Sorry. We're having some difficulties here again. For some freaking reason. There we go. Bam! There we go. Did it.
Now you should power it up before you close it. Well, you should hook everything back up because you still have to hook this in.
So. Alright.
You gotta figure out how to get that in.
Right. Since that's scarred and that's scarred, I can just put it back here as it was.
Unfortunately, he can't take off any other parts of his computer to get it in there.
Michael, could you put that in for me, please?
I can try.
Alright, thanks.
Let me look at it first. Make sure you're putting it in the right way.
Right.
All right.
Thanks, Michael.
Hope I can get that in there. Yeah, the fan's in the way. Yeah.
I know, that's why I'm like, Michael can do the hard work and I can just sit back in.
I have a feeling I might take this fan out to get this in there.
Nah. You want me to take this off?
Yeah. Hold on.
Yeah, I can hold it for you if you want.
Oh, I got it.
Okay.
I just gotta get this in there. Yeah. Okay. There's like no clearance in between the CPU fan and this thing. So
Oh,
it's kind of tedious trying to get that in there.
yeah.
I'm probably gonna cut up my hand, but oh well.
Hope that doesn't happen though. I don't want blood on my rig.
I don't care about your hand. I just don't want blood on my rig.
Sorry, Michael. Hey, I care about you. I care about you.
I'm just messing with you. I believe I got it in. I don't know. It's a little loose.
Does it click? There we go.
I got it in there. I just didn't latch it in.
All right. So now I can just do final wiring, whatever.
I messed up my hand.
No, I should do. I should do this. And be like, yeah, that's a good. Hey, ah. I know, right? There we go. Yay! And this.
You can just leave it there.
Yeah.
It'll work for now.
Or maybe I could have done is
Just leave it alone.
right. Oh, could